Tired of wasting money on overhyped gadgets that never deliver? Well, not this time. We've rounded up 25 Amazon gadgets that actually live up to the buzz, and might just change how you live, cook, clean, and chill. Whether you're a gadget geek or just love smart living, you won't want to miss number 17. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and endless scrubbing. This compact washboard for hand washing clothes is a game changer for quick, efficient cleaning. Whether you're tackling delicate fabrics or traveling light, it gives you that old school cleaning power with modern convenience. Perfect for homes, hostels, or emergencies. Your laundry routine just got a lot smarter. Tired of standing in long lines or needing a quick seat on the go? This portable collapsible stool is your ultimate convenience companion. Lightweight yet super sturdy, it easily folds into a compact size you can carry anywhere, camping, travel, gardening, or even waiting at airports. With adjustable height and strong support, its comfort and portability rolled into one smart design. Maximize your space in style with this wooden vertical shoe rack. Its sleek, space-saving design fits perfectly in narrow corners while holding multiple pairs of shoes neatly. Made from durable wood, it adds a touch of elegance to your entryway or closet while keeping things organized and clutter-free. Upgrade your living space with this stylish L-shaped sofa-cum-bed, perfect for small apartments or guest rooms. It transforms effortlessly from a comfy lounge sofa into a spacious bed. With a sleek modern design and built-in storage options, it's a smart, space-saving solution that combines comfort, functionality, and elegance all in one. Maximize your closet space with this space-saving pants hanger. Designed to hold multiple pairs of trousers vertically, it keeps your wardrobe neat and organized while saving tons of room. Its sturdy, non-slip design ensures your clothes stay wrinkle-free and easily accessible, perfect for small closets or anyone looking to declutter in style. Steam your veggies the smart way with this stainless steel foldable steamer basket. Designed to fit a variety of pot sizes, it expands and collapses effortlessly. The rust-resistant material ensures durability, while the foldable legs and center ring make it easy to use and store. A must-have for healthy, hassle-free cooking. Dry your hair faster and gentler with this microfiber hair wrap towel. Super absorbent and lightweight, it soaks up moisture quickly without causing frizz or damage. The secure button design keeps it in place while you move around. Perfect for post-shower routines, travel, or gym days. Your hair will thank you. Make perfect dumplings every time with this stainless steel dumpling maker. Its ergonomic design helps you fold and seal with ease, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, it's ideal for making dumplings, momos, empanadas, and more. A must-have tool for every home chef. Fix tears and make quick stitches on the go with this handheld sewing machine. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for small repairs, DIY crafts, or emergency fixes without dragging out a full-size machine. Works on a variety of fabrics and is super easy to operate, even for beginners. Whether at home or traveling, this mini gadget is your ultimate stitching companion. Upgrade your bathroom hygiene with this silicone toilet seat cover. Soft, flexible, and easy to install, it provides a comfortable barrier while protecting against germs. Its non-slip design ensures it stays in place, and it's washable and reusable. Perfect for both home and travel. A smart, sanitary solution for every modern bathroom. Say goodbye to wrinkled clothes on the go with this travel steamer iron. Compact yet powerful, it heats up quickly and smooths out creases in seconds. No ironing board needed. Its dual function as a steamer and iron makes it perfect for business trips, vacations, or everyday use. Lightweight and portable, it's your wrinkle-fighting travel companion. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach spots with this body scrubber featuring strong back suction cups. Designed for effortless exfoliation, it sticks firmly to your shower wall, letting you scrub your back without lifting a finger. The textured surface helps remove dead skin and boost circulation, making every shower feel like a spa session. A must-have for smooth, refreshed skin. Beat the heat in style with this portable neckband fan. Designed for hands-free cooling, it wraps comfortably around your neck and delivers a refreshing breeze wherever you go. With adjustable speed settings and quiet operation, it's perfect for workouts, travel, or just lounging. Stay cool and comfortable, no matter the temperature. Say goodbye to laundry hassles with this portable mini handheld washing machine. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for washing small loads, delicates, or baby clothes on the go. Just drop it in a bucket, turn it on, and let it work its magic. Ideal for travel, dorms, or quick home washes. Clean clothes have never been this easy or convenient. Secure your ride like a pro with this heavy-duty anti-theft motorcycle lock. Built from hardened steel and designed to resist cutting, prying, and drilling, this lock gives thieves a serious headache. Its compact yet tough design fits most bikes and scooters, while the bright color adds a strong visual deterrent. Whether you're parking overnight or just grabbing a coffee, this lock ensures your motorcycle stays right where you left it, safe and sound. Keep your food fresher for longer with this portable mini vacuum sealer. Perfect for sealing snacks, leftovers, or meal prep portions. It removes air to lock in freshness and flavor. Compact, lightweight, and USB rechargeable, it's your go-to kitchen companion for saving space and reducing waste. Ideal for home, travel, or camping. Say goodbye to carrying heavy groceries with this expandable shopping bag with wheels. It transforms from a compact tote into a spacious rolling bag in seconds. With durable wheels, sturdy handles, and a foldable design, it's perfect for market trips, travel, or everyday errands. Lightweight yet strong, this clever bag makes shopping easier, more stylish, and totally hands-free. A true game changer for your daily routine. Chop, mince, and dice in seconds with this portable mini chopper. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for prepping garlic, onions, herbs, and more without the mess. USB rechargeable and super easy to clean. This little gadget saves time and effort in every meal prep session. Say goodbye to nails and screws with this heavy-duty double-sided tape. Designed for ultra-strong adhesion, it sticks to almost any surface: walls, tiles, glass, metal, and more. Whether you're mounting decor, organizing cables, or fixing household items, this waterproof, reusable, and traceless tape gets the job done with zero hassle. A must-have for every DIY enthusiast. Keep your space tidy and stylish with these foldable clothes storage bins, made with durable fabric and reinforced handles. They're perfect for organizing clothes, blankets, toys, or seasonal items. When not in use, simply fold them flat to save space. Their sleek, modern design blends beautifully with any room decor, making storage both functional and fashionable. A clutter-free home starts here. Make pouring water effortless with this water jug stand, featuring a dispenser valve. Designed to hold large water jugs securely, it allows for smooth, spill-free dispensing with just a tap. Ideal for homes, offices, or outdoor use. No more lifting heavy bottles or messy spills. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with this corner kitchen sink strainer featuring a hanging mesh bag. It fits perfectly in any sink corner, catching food scraps and waste with ease. The disposable mesh bags make cleanup super convenient. Just lift, toss, and replace. Say goodbye to spoons with this clever self-stirring mug. Just press the button, and it automatically stirs your coffee, tea, or protein shake with a smooth whirl. Perfect for busy mornings, office desks, or travel. This mug blends everything evenly and mess-free. It's a fun, functional gadget every beverage lover will appreciate. Upgrade your kitchen with the smart Waterfall sink, a sleek, multifunctional masterpiece designed for modern homes. It features a unique waterfall faucet, integrated cutting board, drying rack, and drain basket for efficient prep and cleanup. With a space-saving design and stainless steel finish, this smart sink transforms your kitchen into a stylish and highly functional workspace. Say goodbye to slippery bathroom floors with this non-slip water-absorbent mat. Designed with quick-drying technology and a soft yet grippy surface, it instantly soaks up moisture while keeping your feet secure. Its sleek, minimalist look blends with any decor, making it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and entryways. Practical, safe, and stylish. Take typing on the go to the next level with this foldable wireless keyboard. Compact, lightweight, and Bluetooth enabled. It fits right into your bag or pocket. Perfect for travel, remote work, or typing on tablets and smartphones anytime, anywhere. This mini 𝐬𝐧𝐭 tray is the perfect kitchen companion for your chilled drinks. With its compact design and soft silicone material, popping out tiny ice cubes is effortless. Ideal for water bottles, smoothies, or cocktails. It saves freezer space and adds fun to your beverages. Say goodbye to bulky trays and hello to cooling convenience. This card-shaped jet torch lighter is the ultimate blend of style and utility. Slim enough to fit in your wallet, yet powerful with its windproof jet flame. It's perfect for lighting candles, grills, or on-the-go use. Sleek, portable, and refillable. It's firepower in your pocket. This sleek oil dispenser is a must-have for every kitchen. Designed for precision, it lets you pour just the right amount of oil without mess or spills. Its transparent body helps monitor usage, while the anti-drip spout ensures clean countertops. Whether you're cooking, baking, or dressing salads, this dispenser adds convenience and control to your culinary routine. Tackle stubborn grime and hard-to-reach corners effortlessly with this grout brush with a long handle. Designed for deep cleaning, its stiff bristles easily scrub away dirt from tile lines, bathroom floors, and wall joints. The ergonomic long handle saves your back and knees by eliminating the need to bend or kneel. It's a powerful cleaning tool that turns a dreaded chore into a quick, satisfying task. Thanks for watching. If you love these gadgets and found something new to try, hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly Amazon gems that are totally worth your time and money. And remember, life's too short for boring tools. See you in the next one.